Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to excel at self-improvement while others struggle? Do you find yourself curious about how to maximize your potential, but aren't sure where to start? If you said yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into the world of self-improvement and exploring the 4 key levels that individuals can progress through on their journey. These levels are awareness, learning, practice, and application. And finally, mastery and transformation. Self-improvement isn't just about reading books or attending seminars. It's about making meaningful, lasting changes in your life. Understanding these levels can help you gauge where you're at and what steps to take next. By breaking down each stage, we'll provide you with actionable strategies and practical tips backed by scientific research to help you on your journey of continuous growth. Self-improvement might sound straightforward, but many of us encounter significant hurdles along the way. It's common to get stuck, feel frustrated, or even regress to old habits. Understanding why this happens is crucial for overcoming these barriers. Dweck, a renowned psychologist who introduced the concept of the growth mindset, emphasizes that belief systems play a significant role. A fixed mindset can stifle progress, as it limits the belief that change is possible. Moreover, resistance to change, lack of clear goals, and inconsistent efforts can all contribute to stagnation. Recognizing these obstacles is the first essential step in moving forward. Level 1. Awareness. The journey begins at the level of awareness. This is the stage where you have an aha moment, realizing the need for change. Such moments could be triggered by life events, feedback from others, or self-reflection. Awareness requires an honest assessment of your current state and recognizing areas needing improvement. One practical strategy is keeping a reflective journal. Research by James Pennebaker and Joshua Smith on expressive writing shows that writing about personal experiences can foster emotional and psychological well-being. As you document your thoughts, patterns and behavior become apparent, enabling an honest evaluation. Start with simple prompts like, "What frustrated me today?" or "What would I like to change about myself?" Through this exercise, you gain clarity on where to begin your self-improvement journey. Level 2. Learning. The second level involves a proactive pursuit of knowledge and skills. At this stage, you're actively seeking information and acquiring tools to facilitate change. Take advantage of various resources, books, podcasts, online courses, and mentorship programs. This stage is about immersing yourself in new knowledge. Dr. Ericsson's research on deliberate practice is a crucial guide here. He underscores that focused, goal-oriented learning far outweighs rote practice. Set specific, actionable learning targets. For instance, if you're learning about emotional intelligence, aim to master one aspect at a time, like active listening. Supplement your learning with reliable resources. Books like Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman and reputable courses from platforms like Coursera and edX. The key here is consistency and the willingness to act on new insights regularly. Level 3. Practice and application. At the third level, knowledge transforms into wisdom through application. It's about integrating what you've learned into your daily life. This transition requires making consistent, deliberate efforts to practice new skills. To paraphrase the psychologist Bandura, self-efficacy, the belief in one's capability to execute necessary actions, plays a significant role. Sustainable practice is crucial. Set measurable goals and track your progress. For instance, if you aim to improve physical health, start with a structured plan involving small, practical steps like incorporating a 30-minute workout into your daily routine. Tools like habit trackers or apps such as Habitica can support and gamify this process, making it more engaging and easier to maintain. Level 4. Mastery and transformation. The final level is mastery and transformation, where changes become a natural part of your life. At this stage, the new behaviors are ingrained and executed effortlessly. To sustain and deepen transformation, it's important to remain open to continued growth and to constantly challenge yourself. Read Dweck's Mindset, The New Psychology of Success, to further understand how maintaining a growth mindset can propel lasting improvement. Celebrate milestones and seek new challenges to avoid complacency. For instance, if you've achieved a fitness goal, set a new one that's slightly more challenging. Continuous self-reflection, mentorship, and adapting new frameworks will ensure longevity in the transformation. Personal development experts like Tony Robbins advocate for creating an environment of continuous learning to foster perpetual growth. Here's the key insight. Transitioning from one level to another requires more than just passive wishing. It demands intentional effort, self-awareness, and a relentless dedication to betterment. Making decisions with actionable plans is crucial. Tony Robbins often emphasizes turning decisions into immediate actions. Identify a specific area for improvement. Set a SMART goal: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, and create an immediate action plan. Let's recap the 4 levels. 1. Awareness. Realize and acknowledge the need for change through self-reflection and journaling. 2. Learning. Actively acquire knowledge and skills related to your goals using various resources and deliberate practice. 3. Practice and application. Consistently apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios and integrate these practices into daily life. Mastery and transformation. Achieve a level where your new habits are effortless and reflect continuous growth through ongoing challenges and learning. Each level is a critical part of the self-improvement journey, and support along the way includes feedback, setting small tasks, and celebrating progress to maintain motivation and encourage continued effort. Now it's your turn. Reflect on your own self-improvement journey. At which level do you currently find yourself? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. Also, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal development. Stay tuned and take action toward a better you today.